What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Today, I'll be making some potato balls with sausage. First, I will dice my sausages very fine, put my potatoes to boil, my Irish potatoes to boil. Here, I have some chopped scallions and some eggs and some breadcrumbs. I'm going to roll my potato balls in and I'm going to mix in my scallion. So my potatoes have been boiled. I crushed them, add some black pepper, add some salt and a little all-purpose season. Then I go in with my scallion. Then I fry my frankfurters and add it to it. I will also add some shredded cheese. Here it is. I am adding the fried frankfurters. You don't have to fry your frankfurters. It's best to boil them, but I fried them. After adding, we're going to mix it, stir it around, get it to be all over the potatoes. Mix in the frankfurter, the sausage, same thing. Now I'm going to take up some of the mixture and roll it into a ball. Roll it into a ball and make them. Preparing them for frying. We're going to coat them in the eggs first, and after which we coat them in the breadcrumbs. So, look, guys, very tasty recipe. The colors blended are very beautiful, and here are what the balls going to be looking like after I've finished rolling all the potato balls. Very beautiful. Now that I have finished making the balls, we're going to put them in the eggs, and I have seasoned my eggs with a little salt and black pepper, after which I will put them, roll them, coat them in breadcrumb. Take a look. This is what it looks like after coating in eggs and breadcrumb. Now we're going to get into the cooking part of it.